Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with a wireless charging station, wireless charging docking station maybe, which is meant for iPhone and Apple Watch, but it also charges other devices. Now, if you are not interested in charging stations but you want to get a Windows 10, Windows 11 Pro or even Office 2021 keys, don't forget to check the link down below on cdkeysales.com, which is the sponsor of this video, and it's a platform that we have used to purchase budget keys with really great experience. So I'll leave a link down below, and I'll also leave a link down below for this charging station, which is really interesting. Now, it has two pads right over here, one of which goes down and up, and this is very useful if we want to use our phone vertically or horizontally. Let's say that I have this on my bedstand and I want to watch a movie before I go to sleep on my phone, and I put it horizontally. I can just check something out while it's charging. That might be useful. And as I said, it is targeted at the iPhone and Apple Watch. I do use iPhones, as you guys know. I don't use Apple Watch, but my brother does, and he was here yesterday. We tested out with his Apple Watch Series 6. Works really great. I also tested with a iPhone 11 Pro, which is the one that I use, and I also tested with the iPhone 12. Great results, great, everything works really nicely. But the more interesting is that it's just not for iPhone and Apple Watch. I also tested out with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G right over here, and it also worked really nice. And besides that, my biggest surprise was when I did put my Zip Z, which is one of my favorite watches, along with the TicWatch 3 Ultra GPS. And guess what? It did charge the smartwatch, which I was not expecting. Now, after thinking for a while, it's not a huge surprise because the Zip Z has a charger which is not specific for any watch. It's just similar to this one right over here, a magnetic charger, which I just put the watch right over there. So it is so similar that it works great on this one as well. Now, besides this, in terms of the docking station, well, not docking station, but charging station, it is really well built, metallic right over here. So this is a really strong material. I'm not really sure what's inside, but it's heavy and then has this rubberized feeling right over here. We have the pad for the phone that goes down and up so that we can adjust according to the phone. At the back, we will have the power input, and we will also have two extra outputs. One is a USB Type-C and the other one USB Type-A. By the way, in the bottom you can see right over there the power that we can achieve on any of the charging modes. And personally, what I think is that, is it worth it to get one of these? I would say yes and no. If you are on a rush to charge your phone or your watch, then I would say that the best is cable, although the watch will be no difference on the original and this one right over here. On the other hand, if you are on your office, for example, and you have your phone on a place such as this, and you are working with your computer and constantly answering phones and then just putting it back, this is a great deal because we can have a really nice charging docking station which will charge the phone while we are using. The other great scenario is on our bed stand, for example, at the end of the day when we want to put our watch and our phone to charge during the evening or during the night. Then that is the other scenario that I see that it's most useful. We still haven't got a solution for fast charging on wireless, so until then I believe that these two kind of scenarios, and of course many others that I will not recall right over here, but these two scenarios, office work and nightstand, will be the best for this kind of device. Build quality, great usability, not only with Apple devices but also with Samsung, and I believe that with any phone that has wireless charging, and many other watches that also have this kind of style of non-proprietary charging stations will work great like this one. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.